Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the big question: can you start affiliate marketing with no money? Alright, I see this question all over the place, so in this video we are going to actually answer this question and have a deeper look into it. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So can you start affiliate marketing with no money? Now, before we answer this question, we need to understand a few things about affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing, even though it is one of the simplest business models out there and coming with very low, if any, entry barriers, okay, it is still a business, okay? Which means a business requires some investment from you into it. Now, the good thing with affiliate marketing is that most of the time this investment is not about just starting it, but about for you to help you to see the results faster and easier, okay? Having said that, the answer to the question is yes, you can. You can start affiliate marketing with no money. Now, the short answer why, or explanation why, is because you can do anything you set up your mind to, right? But the longer answer is that, you know, in essence, you need only two things to start affiliate marketing. You need an offer and you need traffic. Now, the offer you can get very easily for free. You can sign up on an affiliate network, and which is completely for free, all right? And you can get your affiliate link from one of the products they offer there. Again, completely free. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to be customer of it, even though I highly recommend to do it because it's just going to help you tremendously in promoting it way better. But it's not a must. You don't have to do it. So you have your offer, okay? And now you need to get traffic. Now, if you can find clients, find customers who are going to buy from you on a consistent basis, without investing into any tools, without investing into ads or whatever it might be, then you can do it completely for free. Now, I'm not going to show you how to actually do it because I myself invest a little bit into affiliate marketing, but I know there are ways how to actually do it without any tools or any ads. Usually it is you go on social media like Facebook or Instagram, and you post regularly some content, and then you message directly with people in messengers. You create a rapport, you create a relationship with them, you connect with them, and then you kind of like send the link in the messenger, in the messages, and that's how they buy. Now, I don't know exactly how it is done because I'm not using these strategies. There are courses which are going to teach you that if you want, okay? So if this is the way how you want to do it, you should learn it, you know, somewhere from a proper course. That's what I suggest you to do. All right. Just the bottom line is some of these courses are usually high ticket courses, which means they cost a few $100s or sometimes even thousands of dollars. Okay. So they're just a bottom line how to mention, you know, for you to know. Now, having said I invest myself into affiliate marketing some money, all right, I'm going to show you where I invest my money into and why I think this is the best way, and I believe you should do it as well. However, before that, I want to tell you, give you an advice which I received from one of my mentors back when I was just starting out. I didn't know, you know, where is the north, to be honest. And, you know, I was exactly the same, just like you, I didn't want to invest a dime into affiliate marketing. And one of the reasons was maybe I kind of like there was some self-doubt in me. I didn't believe in myself completely that this is going to work for me. But the other half was also that I didn't actually believe in affiliate marketing in its core, all right? I didn't believe this is actually something real, I didn't believe it's going to work for me, right? So I didn't want to invest even a little bit, okay, even in some few tools, even in a course or anything. I always said, oh, I don't want to do it because I don't have the money, even though we usually have the money, right? Because it's not, hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars to invest into it. It's usually some small amounts which we don't want to invest rather than don't have the money. So This one of my mentors told me this quote, and I just love it. Okay, it changed the way how I operate, how I think, and I want to give you this advice as well. You know, you're always investing something. You're either investing your time or you're investing your money. Now, the money, you can generate more. Okay, you can always earn more money, but you cannot generate more time. Therefore, invest your money instead. And this really stuck with me. Like, I was like, oh wow, this is huge, right? And it changed the way how I operate. So now what I do, I combine these two things and I invest a little bit of money and a little bit of time into strategic ways. Okay, and I'm going to show you now how and where I invest these two things. So let's just use our whiteboard over here. So we invest either our money, all right, or we invest our time. Okay, now what I do is I invest my time into generating traffic. Okay, I don't use paid ads to generate traffic. I use social media, just like YouTube, creating these kind of videos. As you can see from my account, from my channel, I'm quite active over here, as well as I have an Instagram account where I post regularly. Okay, so this is the ways how I generate traffic. Okay, so I'm going to put over here traffic. All right, I do invest from time to time a little bit of money into traffic, but it's more about just trying out a few things rather than something consistent. So I'm not gonna put it over here. So on the other hand, my money I invest into tools. Okay, tools which are going to save me a lot of time, but more importantly, they are going to generate me way better results, and I'm going to be way more effective with them. And I invest into courses or knowledge. Okay, which means I always get better. I'm always willing to learn new things, new strategies, new tactics, which then I'm going to implement into the whole business, and it's going to generate me again more and more and better results. Okay, this is what I believe is kind of like the best way how to do that. All right, now I know many of you will be like, oh, I don't want to invest any money. This sounds like a lot of things to do. Actually, it's not. Okay, I use only two tools which you need. All right, there are only two tools that you need, and these two tools you can generally speaking get under $100 per month. Okay, that's very easily you can do that. Okay, if money is a big issue for you, you can do it under $100. All right. And courses, again, it depends on the course itself. Okay, there are courses for hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, but there are also courses under $50 which are really good quality. Okay, I myself went through several courses like that, and you know, most of them were really good quality, and most of the things that I learned, that I know now, I learned from these kind of courses. Okay, so that's pretty much it, what you should invest, or what I'm investing, and you can do as well. You know, tools, $100, courses, I'm not gonna put it $50 over there because that's usually one-time payment, not a monthly payment. So, you know, it's going to be like $150 a month, which most of us can actually afford, all right, every single month. It's not like a big deal, all right? Now, with time, again, you know, this is the combination how I do it. You know, I invest my time into generating traffic, into these kind of videos, you know, which is not only generating traffic, but also awareness, brand awareness about yourself, and it's helping you in other ways as well. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some aha moments that, okay, this is something real, this makes a lot of sense. Okay, if so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comments below what you think about it, if it is true, if it makes sense for you. Hope it does. Alright. And listen guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to actually generate free traffic, what kind of tools to use, and literally just like in a blueprint, A to Z guide for affiliate marketing, how to start your own affiliate marketing, then I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of this stuff, okay, and more. So you can get it literally for free. It's in the description in the description below, okay, in the link on the description below. You can get it for free, you can get full access to it, all right? And I'm gonna see you inside of it if you choose to, all right? So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section, all right? And if you opt into my 4-day video series, I'm going to see you inside of it. If not, I will see you in the next videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye guys.